How to fix Instagram repost option not showing or missing. Now in this video, I'll show you couples of troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix the repost option on your Instagram account is not showing. So repost option is actually right here. So you should be able to see four options here like this one, the reels, the repost, and then your profile. Now, if the repost option is not showing, the very first thing that you want to do is to open up App Store or Google Play Store, wherever you downloaded Instagram application from, and then make sure that the Instagram application you're using is the latest version. So all I have to do is update it if it's not updated because the lower version of Instagram doesn't have this option. Now, the other thing that you can do is to clear cache from Instagram application itself by tapping and holding on the Instagram icon and then head straight into app info. And then under usage, you should be able to see storage. Tap on that and then just simply do clear data and clear cache as well. And that is how you fix Instagram repost option not showing or missing.